Hello, sir. So, good morning, good afternoon. My name is Dr. Chigoze, and the main reason I'm doing this is because a lot of doctors do not have this information. It has not been long anyway, this pathway started. I don't think it's more than 4 years or 3 years, actually. But either way, I'm trying to explain to you what you need to do for you to enter Canada and practice as a doctor if you want to practice as a doctor. This is one of the fastest and easy route for GPs, general practitioners, and their family medicine physician. And again, understand that the province of Alberta understand the fact that you do house job, and they also understand that you do NYSC for 1 year. So the province of Alberta recognizes that as a year of practice. And what you need to have is at least a minimum of 3 years uninterrupted practice for you to be able to qualify for this route. So if you have not practiced for 3 years, including your NYSC, um, they don't count housemanship, they count your NYSC, then 2 years plus your NYSC can serve as an independent practice for 3 years. So if you have gotten to this level, I want you to click the subscribe button, share, like, drop your comments in the comment section, and every link that is needed for this process, I'm going to drop it in the description box. And if there is any link I've missed dropping in the description box, please call my attention to it and I will do it. I'm not going to make this video so long so that you'll be able to follow on track. But after this one, if there's anything I missed, or if there's any topic you want me to touch, please drop it in the comment section and I will make my findings and come and give you the information that you need. So my name is Dr. Chigoze. Please share, like, subscribe, and drop your comments and your likes. These are the things that will encourage me, and these are the things that will make YouTube to bring this video to other people for them to watch. So I'm going to be dwelling on what is called a practice ready assessment pathway. Is going to be PRA. So on this video, I may be using PRA or practice ready interchangeably so that you will know this is strictly for doctors and this is medics corner. That's why I call it medics corner. This video is for medics that will understand what I'm saying. So this practice ready assessment pathway requires that you must be in practice, like the last time you were in practice should not be more than 2 years. That's the simplest way to say it. So it means if you have been out of practice for more than 2 years, you do not qualify for practice ready assessment pathway. Then remember, this is for clinical medicine, those that want to practice medicine in Canada. So it requires money and document verification, because you're going to be using money to verify your documents. Then how do you start? First, you open an account with Physicians Apply and verify your medical degree. I will drop the website to Physicians Apply in this comment in the description box so that you can click on it and see what it looks like. And I'm also going to go to Physicians Apply in this video, the later part of this video, and show you how to navigate the website, and show you also to know if you are on the right website, because you need to pay. And if you're on the wrong website and you pay, it means you have paid wrongly to the wrong people and the Physicians Apply will not get it. So I will still go and show you what the website looks like after this, as in after this part I'm explaining. Then when you open an account with Physicians Apply and verify your medical degree, what next is where it will now allow you to continue working in your home country. That means you will be in your home country. What this pathway saves you is the stress of coming into Canada and not having a job or trying to find your feet. In that way, you may not have time to read. But if you're working in your home country, you already know the place. You're not under any pressure. You can even take some leave and do what? And study for your exams, which is what the MCCQE1, because you need MCCQE1. So understand that everything I'm putting out here is on the public website. I'm just bringing everything together from different websites to tell you how to navigate this, so that if you have any questions or you have any other information that I don't have, you can also drop it in the comment section and I will add it up in the next video for others to learn from. So after verifying your medical degree, which is a requirement to write MCCQ1. So you have to verify your medical degree for you to write MCCQ1. Then you can now book a slot to write your MCCQ1 in your home country. I know in Nigeria it's written in Lagos. And other countries should, if you're watching this from another country, you should find out where MCCQ1 is written in your own country, and that will help you. Then another thing is this: some people will say, oh, you have to aim so high for MCCQ1. Yes, I will advise you to aim so high for MCCQ1. Why? Because if you have the mind, or you have the intention of going in for residency in medicine here in Canada, your mark in MCCQ1 means a lot, because the competition is fierce. So you have to stand out from the crowd. And again, for you to do residency here, you will need NACOSKI. But if you're going for practice ready, there are some provinces that have waived NACOSKI. Provinces like Alberta have waived NACOSKI. I think British Columbia also have waived their NACOSKI for practice ready assessment. So for these provinces that have waived it, back in your home country, you can start applying to these provinces with your MCCQ1. It means you do not need a NACOSKI for them. But the remaining other provinces, if you want to have opportunity to apply in the 9 provinces that do practice ready assessment pathway, what will you do? You will now apply to write NACOSKI. But the limitation about NACOSKI is that NACOSKI is not written outside Canada. So it means you are going to require a temporary visa to come and write NACOSKI in Canada. I've seen someone, they gave a temporary visa to come and write the exam. So whatever, it all depends on your money and your pocket, because getting a visa is not cheap. Rather, staying in your country and applying for a job here with your MCCQ1 that you have passed back in your home country is also not cheap, because you will still be working back in your country. The relaxation of not being under any tension is another thing that I will just tell you. Just continue working in your home country, because that is going to help you to be balanced financially while you are making this application. But at their job, yes, there are jobs. In fact, I'm going to do a video of the website where you can apply for medical jobs, but that's not on this particular video. I'm going to finish the series on practice ready assessment pathway before I talk about this website, where if you pass MCCQ1 back in your home country, the website where you can go and apply for jobs. And I'll put it out there. You will see the positions that are available and what you qualify for. Even for the physicians that are specialists, there's a practice ready assessment pathway for specialists, but that will be in another video. But for this one, if you are an MO, family medicine physician, or you're doing your general practitioner for over a period of 3 years post-graduation, it means that you are qualified for practice ready assessment pathway in Canada. So gather your money, gather your documents, gather all the things that you need to verify. Verify your medical degree. That's the first thing. First. Verify your medical degree, and you can do that in your Physicians Apply. So right now I'm going to take you to the website of Physicians Apply, and you will see how to do that in Physicians Apply. So let me take you to Physicians Apply website. So now we're in the Physicians Apply website. You can see what the website looks like. So this is where I'm sure you're seeing my crew. So this is the website. So when you come to this website, this is what you will see: physiciansapply.ca. This is what it looks like: physiciansapply.ca. So you will do what? If you're a former MCC Online or PRISA Online user logging in for the first time, enter your existing username and password. That's if you have curated an account. But if you've not curated an account, like me now, I can just put in my name here. You can see it's already showing what I used to curate my name. So you can put in my name here and put in my password, and I will log in. But because you are here for the first time, you need to create an account. So what will you do? You will click on what? Create an account, and this privacy statement will come out. So you will go through these privacy statements. You either agree or you don't agree. So now that I've agreed, what it will ask me question, do you already have an account? Because I already have an account, I will say yes. If I don't have an account, I will come here and say no. So if I have you paid and submitted your medical credentials for source verification, I will say no. That's because I have done all this, so I don't need to do this again. That's why I am not going to go ahead with it. But this is what you will see when you come to the website. So you follow the prompts and do what, and make your what application. So that's why I'm trying to put this here so that you will see what I am doing. So let me go back to you seeing my face again so that you will know what you're doing. So now that I've taken you to the website and you have seen what it's like being on that website, I don't want you to fall victim of wrong or fake websites. That's why I had to bring up that website. If you have watched to this extent, please like, share, invite your friends, share this video and drop your comment. If there's anything you think I need to talk about that I didn't talk about, drop it in the comment section and I'll take it up from there. Thank you. Remember to drop your comment. Bye.